we're gonna head over to our bed. Over here. Or what kind of weather is it like right now? What would we say this is? Sunny, yeah. So if you have your hands out, I'm gonna come by and give you a little bit of seats. So we have 3 beds that aren't covered right now. And we're gonna come by, push this over. All right?
Drop them all. Say good luck growing. Good luck growing. Here we go. Good job, guys.
Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Smell a flower. Blow out a candle.
For the last decade, we've had a farmer here at our school 2 days a week, and they have engaging curriculum to help students in every single grade learn how to plant and harvest and weed and taste and chop and try and experiment with new foods. And they have been incredible community partners in making this garden come to life.
A garden is a place for growth, sprouting, blooming, fruiting, a place to watch the seasons change, and a place to learn lessons from our teachers and each other. We added beds in the front and back of our garden, and we made an extensive irrigation system because, as we all know, plants need lots of water to grow. Furthermore, we planted some fruit trees and blueberry bushes here in the front, so we'll get to see those grow and maybe have a tasty treat this spring and summer. Sean Shepherd and the Backyard Farmer crew replaced our beautiful fence.
Let's celebrate all the plants around us, in the garden, in the wild, anywhere. And always remember that plants deserve our gratitude, for they bring the world alive.
To see the garden get renovated and be able to explore it in the coming months. I know that this is our last week for garden lessons before we go on a brief little dormant period, and then we're going to see all of this beautiful things that you have been working on and planting come to life in the spring.